front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll again to click on Autofill with Google here. Following that, choose Google Password Manager and click on a password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.